Welcome to 1085 Rouge Valley Drive, a wonderful 4+1 bedroom home with 4 washrooms nestled within West Pickering's prestigious Rougemount neighborhood and just steps from the lush beauty of Rouge National Urban Park. This stone and brick home offers exceptional outdoor privacy. Its interlocking walkways continue to a front yard terrace surrounded by hedges, and mature trees also surround the backyard. While through the double doors of its covered front entrance is a main level showcasing a spacious reception area, principal rooms with a great ease of flow for entertaining, as well as the brightness of pot lighting throughout. French doors off the foyer open to the formal living room, with this space and the adjacent formal dining room showcasing the elegance of crown moldings and contemporary crystal light fixtures, hardwood flooring, and oversized windows with views of the outdoor greenery. The dining room also featuring a French door entry into the kitchen area. The oversized tile flooring seen in the reception area is continued into the kitchen. And this incredibly functional work area has ample counter space with both seating and a stainless steel double sink at the peninsula. Stainless steel appliances that include a dishwasher, oven, microwave, and fridge. Abundant cabinetry storage with valance lighting that accentuates glass and stone mosaic backsplashes, and which is complemented with a walk-in pantry that can be found just off the kitchen entrance from the main hall, as well as a servery area with a wall pass-through to the adjacent family room. 4 windows and a sliding door walkout in the turret-shaped breakfast area flood natural light into these spaces, with a walkout opening onto a 2-tiered deck in the backyard. Enjoying exceptional privacy, the backyard also features an above-ground pool, a storage shed with extra storage available under the deck, as well as an interlocking patio area. And with trees surrounding the yard, this wonderful outdoor space has the aura of a cottage getaway. Hardwood flooring and crown moldings are featured in the family room as well, with this light-filled entertaining space also having a ceiling fan and the warmth of a wood-burning fireplace with a floor-to-ceiling brick and stone mantel finished with a wood beam shelf. The side hall off the reception area features a double coat closet, a powder room, and a laundry room with access to the double car garage, a side door to access the front and back yards, storage cabinets, as well as a washer and dryer. And to the upper level is a carpeted staircase with hardwood railing, this level featuring broadloom in 3 of its 4 bedrooms, as well as 2 washrooms and a linen closet, with the 4 bedrooms having ceiling fans, while all rooms have large windows for abundant natural brightness throughout. The second and third bedrooms are quite spacious, easily accommodating sitting or study areas, and both have ample closet storage. The common use 4-piece washroom features vinyl flooring, lots of vanity storage, as well as a bath and shower combo, with this washroom also a semi-private ensuite to the 4th bedroom, which showcases a double closet, wooden flooring, and views of the green spaces across the street. A double-door entry opens into the very generously sized master suite, which showcases a lovely sitting area with backyard views along its turret wall. A makeup vanity and a walk-in closet are found just outside the entry into its ensuite washroom, which has been updated with vinyl plank flooring, is brightened with track lighting, and is finished with ceramic tiled walls surrounding the step-up soaker tub and the exterior of the shower area. A French door opens to the lower level staircase, with this fully finished level bringing extra living space to the home, while having a separate entrance also makes it ideal as a very spacious in-law suite. Featuring a recreation space, a large storage room, and a cold room that can all be exclusive to the main household. The remainder of this level features a 3-piece washroom, a kitchen with an adjacent dining area, a family recreation area, a bedroom, as well as huge above-grade windows and a garden door walkout to the backyard. Across the street from Rouge Valley Park, its children's playground, and the forested landscape of Rouge National Urban Park, walking distance to Elizabeth B. Finn Public and St. Monica Catholic Elementary Schools, as well as being close to Montessori Schools, Dunbarton High and St. Mary Catholic Secondary Schools, and a wide variety of shops, restaurants, and services along Kingston Road. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.